talk about three different situations which are as follows. Pre-pickup situation, restaurant is closed. Post-pickup, customer not reachable or answering. And the third one is chat support. So let's get started. Let's understand the pre-pickup option now. Whenever any order is assigned to you, you will get the option to contact the help center from the app. In order to connect with the help center, please select the three dots appearing on top right hand corner of the partner app and select help center option from the page. After you have selected this option, you will see the other information related to the order stage. Moving ahead with the second title in the main menu, let us understand the situation restaurant is closed. After reaching the restaurant's location, if you find that the restaurant is closed, you may select this option shown here. Please call the restaurant number from the option at least 2 times and wait for their response. Please ensure you call the restaurant after reaching the location. If the restaurant does not respond after more than 2 attempts of your call, you will get the option to cancel the order at the bottom of the screen. Once you select this option, the app will ask you to click a selfie in front of the restaurant. Please click a selfie in front of the restaurant, showing the display board of the restaurant as well. Customer not reachable or answering. After you pick up any order from the restaurant, you will get the option to contact the help center from the app. In order to connect with the help center, please select the three dots appearing on top right hand corner on the partner app and select help center option from the page. After you select this option, you will see the other information related to the order stage. The first title is customer not reachable or answering. You can use this option if the customer is not reachable or answering to your calls. Please make sure that you are at the customer location and you have tried calling the customer. You cannot initiate the order cancellation before the estimated time for delivery. So please wait till the delivery time to start the auto cancellation flow. If you think you have passed all the checks and the customer is still not answering your calls, then click on Initiate Cancellation. Once you click on it, the auto call will be made to the customer. If a customer does not pick up the call, then you will be notified to wait for 2 minutes before the second call to the customer gets initiated. If the customer does not pick the call after 2 attempts, then the order will be proceeded for cancellation. Please do not press the back button or exit the screen during the automated flow, or else you'll have to reinitiate the process, which will consume more time. To get a faster resolution, we request you to be patient while using this bucket. Chat support. Let's talk about our chat feature which we have recently introduced under the Partner App Help section. After the order is accepted, if you wish to contact the support team for any reasons, please click on the three dots appearing on top of the screen and this will show you some more options at the bottom of the screen. Please select Help Center from the list and this will give you options to select issue type. Taking an example, if you select the option Cannot find restaurant from the list, the system will prompt you an option to contact the restaurant for the same. At the bottom of the screen, you will also get the option to reach out to support team by initiating a chat with the available associate. Please select the chat option and chat window will open wherein you can chat with the available associate and share your concerns with them. You can share your concern in detail to get a quicker resolution of your concerns. There are a few more guidelines that you need to follow during the chat process. Please do not initiate multiple chat boxes for the same concern and stick to one chat window. There can be a slight delay in responding to your queries, hence, please wait patiently for a revert from the chat team. Do not close or terminate the chat window during the conversation. Always find the order details on the partner app for an ongoing issue and share it with the chat team as required. Please avoid using any unprofessional language on the chat with the support team. We hope that this chat feature will help you to resolve any queries that you are facing with any ongoing order without calling the support team. Thank you for watching this video.